Hello everybody, let's see what you have here. We have Cyanogen Mod 13, Dirty Unicorn, Hexagon ROM and Rejection Remix. All these are one of the best marshmallow based custom ROMs for OnePlus 2. So if you want to decide which one is the best and which one you want to try it on your OnePlus 2 phone, so this is the right video for you. So first in the series will be tutorial on how to root OnePlus 2. It will consist of two steps: installing custom recovery on OnePlus 2 and rooting it. In the next video, I'll one by one I'll show you how to install all these custom ROMs, and I'll give a brief review on these custom ROMs in a single video. We'll be comparing their speeds and how they perform. So yeah, let's start with the video on how to root OnePlus 2. So there are some steps to be followed. So the first video contains this part, which requires rooting your device. So first of all, you have to enable developers options in your phone, then enable OEM unlocking, that is unlocking your bootloader. Then uh, yeah, this setting is for unlocking your bootloader, then enabling your USB debugging. Then we have to unlock your device's bootloader and install a custom recovery. These two steps will be done using a command window through your Windows. Then we'll flash a SuperSU.zip file and hence your phone will be rooted. Let's do the starting procedure of rooting our phone, which is enabling our developer options. So what we have to do is go to about phone, click on build number 7 times until you get a message saying you are a developer. Since I have already enabled my developer options, so we'll directly go into that. Then we have to click on OEM unlocking, advanced reboot and USB debugging. And this OEM unlocking will help us in unlocking our bootloader. Advanced reboot will help us in going to our recovery, and USB debugging mode will help us to install recovery through our computer. So let's start. So select file transfer option in your phone and then transfer this SuperSU file to your phone. Here we go. So now what we have to do is, let's open the folder where our recovery image is, and then press shift right click and open command window here. At the same time, long press the power button on your phone and click on reboot and bootloader. Now your phone will enter fast boot mode. Now type the following commands: fast boot devices. And if you get this message, doesn't matter what symbols or numbers you get here, it just says that it recognizes your phone. Now type fast boot OEM unlock. This will unlock your bootloader. So now your bootloader is unlocked. Now we will flash our custom recovery. So fast boot flash recovery, and we need to type the same name here. So that is TWRP 3.0.1 to Oneplus to .img. Yeah, hit enter and it will install custom recovery on your phone. Now type fast boot reboot. This will reboot your phone. Hit enter. Now your phone is rebooting. You can disconnect it from your computer and let it reboot. So now our phone is rebooted. Now we'll disable our security options because we don't want our phone to get stuck in the middle of our installing or rooting our phone or installing custom ROMs. So let's go to security and disable all types of locks. So now we don't have any lock. Now we'll go to our recovery, reboot, click on recovery. Okay, we can close this now. So when you guys get the TWRP, you are greeted with a Chinese font. So when you want to change the language to English, you can click this button, click on this small globe and click on this English button and set language. So you will be greeted with English language. Now the first step is to back up your phone. Swipe to back up your phone. I won't be doing a full backup of my phone since I haven't installed anything on my phone, so I don't want to back up anything. So what I have done is I've put a Oneplus stock ROM on my phone. If anything goes wrong, I can install this Oxygen OS back to my phone so that nothing happens. So now we'll be installing this SuperSU zip to our phone. Reboot when installation is complete and just swipe to flash. The first boot after rooting a phone might take a few minutes, so you don't have to worry, just wait for it. As you can see, our phone is booted. Now to check whether it's rooted or not, let's go to menu and you'll be this file SuperSU should be there. This SuperSU file is installed by TWRP and this SuperSU gives you the root access to your phone. So let's put our custom ROMs in our phone. So let's connect our phone to our PC. So first we'll install Dirty Unicorn. So we'll copy paste it in our phone's memory. After copying the files into a phone, let's go back to our recovery mode. So reboot, recovery. When you are booted to TWRP, click on Wipe, Advanced Wipe, Dalvik Cache, System Data and Cache, and wipe it. To clean flashing the ROM. Because if you don't flash the ROM, the access memory which is taken by the previous ROM will still be there in your phone, and it will lag your operating system. So now we'll go to install, click on the ROM, swipe to install. So when it's done, wipe Dalvik cache back. Now you have to flash the apps. This dirty unicorn ROM has its own custom apps, so we'll flash that. Now again wipe cache in Dalvik, and now we'll reboot our system. Again, the first boot might take some time, so let's wait. So our device is booted. So what I've done is I removed my SIM card, so because I don't have net pack, I didn't want to lose my money. Now let's connect to Wi-Fi. I've completed the initial setup. So let's get into the ROM. It comes with its own camera app. Let's see. So basically it's a minimalistic app. Closely you can relate it to Google camera, and it's based on Google Now Launcher. Let's go to the settings, about phone, and here you get SuperSU in settings, which is very good because in most of the custom ROMs you don't get SuperSU and you have to root your phone again. So let's check. So you get the latest security patch level, and it's based on Marshmallow. So basically it gives you option of highly customizability in stock version of ROM. So I'll be checking its camera app, battery performance and phone's performance, and I'll let you know how this ROM performs and how stable it is. So thanks for watching the video. Subscribe if you like, and I'll see you in the next video with new custom ROM. Thank you.